This is x-axis and this is y-axis. What do you mean by a straight line? What do you mean by a straight line? Straight line is a collection of points. Straight line is actually a collection of points. They are very, very adjacent. All these points are adjacent, look like a line. Understood? So straight line is actually a collection of line. They are just very, very adjacent, look like a line. Understood? So I am going to discuss about the equation of a line. It's a collection of points actually. So equation of a line means, I will discuss the what is the meaning, what do you mean by equation of a line? Suppose let x comma y be the general point on the line. X comma y be the coordinate of a point, general point on the line. There will be some relation between x and y. There will be a fixed relation between x and y. That fixed relation is said to be equation of a line. Okay. What I am saying is, equation of a line means x comma y be the general point on a line. There will be some relation between x and y. That fixed relation between x and y is said to be equation of a line. That fixed relation may be, for example, y equal to 2x or x plus y equal to 6, like that. There will be some fixed relation between x and y. That relation between x and y is said to be equation of a line. So understood. So the definition is not required. You may draw a line like this and write here the fixed relation. There is a fixed relation. Fixed relation between x and y. It is said to be equation of a line. This is very, very important. If you have understood this, I can discuss all the type of question. Okay, equation of line. So equation of a line means the relation between x and y. Y equal to 2x or y equal to 3x, like that. Okay. So all of you please write down. If you have written, please raise your hand. If you have written, please raise your hand. You have written. Okay. So without any title, I think I can discuss the problem straight. Okay. If you have understood the meaning of equation of a straight line, then you need not worry. I can start with the problems. So let me start with the problems. The order of the question is not perfect in NCERT, but I will discuss almost all type of question given in NCERT. So let me start with the exercise 9.2. Since you have understood the meaning of equation of straight lines, then I can discuss. Find the equation of a straight line. Okay. First one you need not do right now. I will discuss the first one later. I will discuss the second one. Okay. For the time being, you forget about the first one. First one I will discuss, but later. All of you please look here. This question. Find the equation of a straight line satisfy the given condition. All of you please listen. Let me explain the solution. After that, you can ask me doubt. Okay. The second one I am discussing. We have a line. Which passing through a point -4, 3. Is that correct? Read the question. We have a line passing through -4, 3 with the slope. Slope I discussed in the previous class. Devasri, what do you mean by slope? Devasri, please tell me. Let me check whether you remember or not. What do you mean by slope of a line? Devasri. Ashlin, ഞാൻ കണ്ടില്ല കേട്ടോ. Ashlin join ചെയ്തത്. Devasri, no response.
Slope is the theta is the inclination of the line L.
Okay.
And tan theta is
Yes. The slope of a line we studied in the previous class. I don't want to discuss again, okay? We studied slope in the previous class. Slope is the measurement of, to what extent the line is inclined with the horizontal. To what extent the line is inclined with the horizontal. That measurement is said to be slope. We studied in the previous class the slope equal to tan theta. If the line make an angle theta with the horizontal, tan theta is the slope. So here I want equation of a straight line. So the first step is, you have to assume that x comma y be the general point on the line. You have to make an assumption that x comma y be the general point on a line. X comma y can be anywhere on this line, generally. I want the relation connecting x and y, okay? It's very simple. Look at the diagram. In the previous class, we studied that slope of a line equal to y2 minus y1. I discussed in the previous class. Have you written that? Yes, you have written that. Slope of a line equal to y2 minus y1. You can check your notebook. Divide by x2 minus x1. So slope is what? This one and this one. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. If the 2 points are available, this is the way we find the slope of a line. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of a line and it is given as 1 by 2. All of it clear till this step? Shivani, Saida, Ashley.
Yes, sir.
Please raise your hand if you have understood this step. Please raise your hand. Shivani, Saida, Rakshana understood.
Sir, can you explain once again?
Okay. The others, others please simplify this. Devasri, look here. We studied in the previous class that if a line containing 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, you refer your notebook. We studied in the last class. A line containing 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, what will be the slope of the line? One formula is tan theta, but theta is not given in the question. So another formula is y2 minus y1. You refer your notebook, by x2 minus x1. Have you written this formula?
Yes, sir.
That formula I have used. So this is the first point and this is the second point. We assume the point x comma y. So y2 minus y1 will be y minus 3. x2 minus x1 will be x minus of minus 4. Slope is equal to 1 by 2. Everyone is okay, clear? So
Yes, sir.
So just do the cross multiplication. Let me write some extra step. Okay. Y minus 3 by x plus 4. The denominator is x plus 4, right? Equal to 1 by 2. I want a relation connecting x and y. Okay. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication gives 1 into x plus 4. Correct? 2 into y minus 3, cross multiplication. 2 into y, 2y. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Then you can arrange. Arrange means this entire term can be taken to left side. So x plus 4 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Just for simplification, the entire terms in the right side taken to left side. So finally, you can change the order. This is the relation connecting x and y, that is equation of the line. So you just start with an assumption that x comma y be the general point, then use the formula of slope. you will get the answer. So all of you please write down. If you have written and understood, raise your hand. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Rakshana, okay. Shivani, clear ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Said Ashlin മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ Ashlin?
Yes, sir.
Next problem. Most of the question we can use the formula. Okay. The third one I am going to discuss. Before that, fifth one I think. Third one, fifth one. There are plenty of questions. Third one, let me discuss third one. Okay. So this is very simple question. The title is find equation of the line. Okay. The title is what? Find equation of the line. Passing through 0, 0 with the slope m. Slope is given as m. Given, okay? So, we have a line passing through 0, 0, meaning origin. And slope is given. Slope of the line is given as m. It is given in the question, not assumption. I want the equation of the line. Like previous question, make an assumption that x comma y be the general point on the line. X comma y is the general point. Use the formula of the slope, you will get the equation. Slope equal to, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Like previous question, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope. The slope is given. The slope is given to us. Given as m. Very simple. Y by x equal to m. Correct. Y by x equal to m. You can do the cross multiplication. Y equal to mx is the equation of the line. Relation between x and y obtained. Okay. So all of you please write down. If you are okay, return, raise your hand. Shivani, okay. Rakshana, Shivani fast ആണ് ഈ പറയുന്നോട്ടോ ഞാൻ വേറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. Said understood. Devasri, okay, understood. Ashlin, okay. So actually this type of question actually said to be point slope form. The title is not required, not important. Point slope. Point slope means a point on the line will be given and slope will be given. Point slope form. But title is not important for us. Okay. Let me discuss the next question. Let me discuss the next problem. Now let me discuss the fifth question. I will discuss all the important problem from textbook. Let me discuss the next problem. The fifth one I am going to discuss. Fifth one. If you have not understood the question, you need to draw a rough diagram. You need to draw a rough diagram. Look at this. Intersecting x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin with the slope -2. We have not understood the question. So let us draw a rough diagram. We could not understand the question. You can draw a rough diagram like this. X-axis, y-axis, right? This is origin. You know that. The line is, how is the line? The line intersecting x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin. The line intersect x-axis at 3 units to the left of origin. So this point should be -3, 0. Why -3, 0? Because it is in the left side. So x coordinate will be minus. In the last class, I discussed that any point on x-axis will have x coordinate only. x value only. If a point lie on x-axis, it has x value only, meaning no y value, 0. Okay. So the line cut x-axis at -3. So the coordinate of this point will be -3. Okay. Okay. The angle I have no idea, but let me draw a rough diagram. Let this be the line which cut x-axis at -3, meaning that the line passing through -3, 0. Slope is given to us. Slope of the line is given as -2. Correct? The slope of the line is given as -2. I want the equation of the line. For that purpose, let x comma y be the general point on the line. I want the relation connecting x and y. Okay. Till this step, all of you clear? Till this step? Till this step, you are okay? Please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ashlin, Devasri, everyone okay? Rakshana, you understood? Said okay?
Yes, sir.
Said, you are not responding. Have you understood? Say. Okay. So use the formula of slope. What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope will be y minus 0 by x minus of -3. Correct? X minus of -3. Okay, let me write some extra step. X minus of -3. It is the slope of the line given as -2. Simplifying, y by x plus 3 is equal to -2. Do the cross multiplication. Y equal to -2 into x plus 3. Do the cross multiplication. Open the bracket. Okay, you may stop here, or you may bring these two terms to left side. Okay. So the answer is minus 2x becomes plus 2x here. Y is there. Minus 6 becomes plus 6 here. The equation of the line is 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. So please write down. If you are okay, written, raise your hand. If you are okay and written, raise your hand. Shivani okay, Rakshana clear, Said okay, Ashlin clear. Everyone is clear, so okay. Finished. Let me discuss the next problem. Sorry. Next problem. Let me discuss the sixth question. Most of the question will be based on this type. A point will be given and a slope will be given. Most of the question. Look at this problem. If you don't understand the question, you have to draw a rough diagram. Okay. Look at the question. I will read it. Intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units above origin and making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Let us try to draw the diagram. Okay. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, and this is origin. Intersecting y-axis 2 unit above origin, making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. I will draw the diagram. You can understand. The line look like this. Because the line making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction. This direction is said to be positive direction. Understood? The line making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis and cut y-axis at 2 units above origin. This point is 2. or coordinate will be 0, comma 2. If the point is on y-axis, it has only y value. If the point is on y-axis, it has only y value. So 0, comma 2 be the coordinate of that point. Understood? Cut y-axis 2 unit above origin. The line making an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. This is the line. All of it clear? Till this step you are okay? Till this step? Rakshana, Said, Ashlin. Said, Ashlin, you can remove all the raise hand, okay? All raise hand you can remove. Ashlin, മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Ashlin പറഞ്ഞത്.
Yes, sir.
If the angle is given, I can write the slope. If the angle is given, I can find the slope. In the last class, I told you the slope of a line is tan theta. Understood? We studied it. The slope of a line is tan 30. Tan 30 we have already studied. Do you remember? Tell me. What is tan 30? We studied in the 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. You studied in 10th standard as well as in 11th standard. Trigonometry. Okay. I discussed it. Sin 30, 45, 60 are important angle. Don't forget. So slope equal to tan theta 1 by root 3. Understood? Okay. Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണോ Shivani?
Yes, sir.
എന്നാൽ ശിവാനിക്ക് ഞാനൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ടഫ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. ഞാൻ ഡയഗ്രാം വരയ്ക്കണുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. കേട്ടല്ലോ ശിവാനി?
Okay, sir.
ആ ലൈനിൻ്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക ശിവാനി. 135 ഡിഗ്രി ആണേ.
Okay, sir.
135 degree ആണ്. Others, please look here. So slope equal to 1 by root 3. I want equation of a line. We make an assumption that x comma y be the general point. Don't forget, because I want relation between x and y. So x comma y be the general point. 2 points are there. I can find slope. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. I got it 1 by root 3. Slope is what? 1 by root 3. Or y minus 2 by x equal to 1 by root 3. Let me complete it. After that you can ask me doubt. Let me complete it. Cross multiplication, x into 1, x. Root 3 into y. Root 3y. Shivani finished. Shivaniക്ക് എന്താ ആൻസർ കിട്ടി?
Sir, തന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിന്റെ ആൻസർ x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0.
x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 എന്നാണ് കിട്ടിയത് അല്ലേ? അത് കറക്റ്റാണ്. ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റാണ്. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് കേട്ടോ ശിവാനി, ഇത് തീർന്നത്. സോ അറേഞ്ചിങ് എക്സ് മൈനസ് റൂട്ട് 3y പ്ലസ് 2 root 3 equal to 0 is the answer. So all of you please write down. If you are okay, written, raise your hand. If you don't understand, please ask me. Ashlin, ശിവാനിക്ക് ഓക്കെയാണ്. സയ്യിദ് എന്തെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല ചോദിക്കേട്ടോ. Devasri, you can ask me doubt if you don't understand. Devasri, please write down. Make it fast. Devasri, you are still writing. Okay, finished. We can go to next problem. We can go to next question. Let me discuss the 7th question. Okay, I'm going to discuss the 7th problem. question is not similar to previous questions. It is not similar to the previous question. The 2 points are given in this question. I mean, we have to find the equation of a line. The 2 points on the line are minus 1, 1 is a point. Another point is 2 comma minus 4. We can draw a single line passing through the 2 given points. Only a single line exists passing through 2 given points. I want the equation. What do you mean by equation of a line? Equation of a line means if x comma y be the general point, there is a fixed relation connecting x and y that I want to find out. Make an assumption. Now I want a relation connecting x and y, right? What is the slope of the line? What is the slope of this line? For slope of a line, you have to consider 2 points, any 2 points on the line. To find the slope of a line, you have to consider any 2 points on the line. Let me consider xy and this, or xy and this, anything you can consider. For slope, I want 2 points. I want to consider 2 points. Tell me what is slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let me write here. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of a line, not finished. Is that okay? All of it clear? Is it correct? Please tell me. Rakshana, Said, Ashley. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. There is a network issue. And now it is audible. Okay. Then if I consider this point and this point, you will be getting the same slope. If you consider this and this, the same straight line, right? If you consider this and this, the same straight line passing through these 2 points. So if I consider this and this, the same slope I will get. y2 minus y1. I mean minus 4 minus 1. By x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 1. 2 minus of minus 1. Yes. So finding slope is the way, like previous question, we first of all we make an assumption x comma y, and if you have to find the slope by considering any 2 points. You have to find the slope of the line considering any 2 points. Initially I considered x comma y and this point. The slope will be y minus of minus 4 by x minus 2. And after that, I consider this point and this point. The same line passing through these 2 points. So the same slope I will get. Minus 4 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1. All of it clear? Understood? Please respond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, I will give you a question. Let me discuss one more question. Y plus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3, correct? ശിവാനിയുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ
Sir, കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കും.
കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണോ? എന്നാൽ ശിവാനി ഇതൊന്ന് ചെയ്യേ. വേറെ സിമിലർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. 1 5 5 1 ലൈൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ.
Okay, sir.
Others, please listen. Let me do the cross multiplication. 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 4, 12. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus 2, plus 10. Right side taken to left side. Okay. Is equal to 0. You can change the order. You can change the order. This is the answer. Please write down. If you are okay and written, raise your hand. I will give you question, but let me discuss one more problem. Please raise your hand if you have understood and written. Shiva, എനിക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയോ അതിൻ്റെ?
സർ ചെയ്യും.
Okay. Devasri, you understood? Devasri, clear?
Yes, sir.
This type of question is said to be 2.4. But title is not important for us. In questions, they will not specify that. Understood? This type of problem is said to be 2.4. Meaning that 2 points are available. 2 points on the line given to us. We have to find the equation. 2.4. Okay. But title is not required. Tell me.
Sir, answer x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0.
That's correct. Yes. Next it is a question I am going to discuss. 1 minute. You 1 minute. 1 minute. I am going to discuss question number 8. I am going to discuss. Anybody has tried it? The 8th question? No. Okay. Shiva, try ചെയ്തു നോക്കിയോ 8th question?
Sir, ചെയ്യാം.
ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Okay. In the previous class, we studied midpoint formula. Is it taken? Yes, I think it is. Yes, it is taken. It is taken. Yes, midpoint formula we studied in the last class. We have a triangle. All of you, please listen. We have a triangle PQR, right? I am drawing a rough diagram. Okay. We have a triangle PQR. P 2,1. Q. It is a rough diagram. Okay. Forget about position. R 4,5. What is the equation of the median through vertex R? What do you mean by median? Anybody? What do you mean by median of a triangle? No response.
Divides the side into 2 halves.
Yes. Median through R means this one. Median through R. Let it be RS. RS is the median through R. The median means it is the line from one vertex which divide the opposite side into 2 equal parts. Meaning that S is the middle point. So median is the line segment joining a vertex and a midpoint of the opposite side. RS is the median. I want to find the equation of the line RS. Understood? Can we find out S using midpoint formula? Anybody? We studied midpoint formula in the last class. Anybody? Do you remember that? Please respond.
Sir, x2 plus x1 by y2.
Yes. The formula is this. We studied, I discussed one question also. We studied midpoint formula in the last class. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 means 2 plus minus 2. Clear? x1 plus x2 will be 2 plus minus 2 by 2. Comma. y1 plus y2 by 2 will be 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 divided by 2. The coordinate of S will be 0, 2. Calculation I don't want to discuss. 0, 2. You can mark in the diagram. 0, 2 is the coordinate of S. Please write down till this step. If you are okay till this step and written, raise your hand. If you don't understand any step, please ask. All of you clear? Say the understood. Ashlyn, everyone is clear. I want equation of RS. I want equation of RS. For that purpose, let x comma y be the general point on RS. Let x comma y be the general point on RS. I want the relation between x and y. So you have to consider RS. 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 R is there. This one is there. This one is there. 4 comma 5 x comma y and 0 comma 2. 4 comma 5 x comma y and 0 comma 2 lie on the same line. Lie on the same line. So let us take the slope. Let us take the slope. How will you find the slope of RS? To find the slope of RS, we need any of the 2 points. Okay, to find the slope of the line RS, we need any of the 2 points. Let me select this one and this one. I will get the slope of the line RS. Understood? The slope of the line RS will be, if you select this and this, y minus 5 by x minus 4. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope of RS will be y minus 5 by x minus 4. Next, I want only number. Okay, I want only number next. The slope of RS. If you select this, this and this, same line passing through that. Understood? Now let me consider 4, 5 and 0, 2. We get the same slope. So 4, 5 and 0, 2. y2 minus y1. 2 minus 5. I want number in the right side. 2 minus 5 divided by 0 minus 4. Just equating the slope. Okay. To find the slope, we need only 2 points. Okay. Remember that. Is that okay? All of it clear? Please respond. Rakshana, everyone okay? Please respond. Devasri, clear? So I am finding equation of RS. So y minus 5 by x minus 4 minus 3 by minus 4 is the right side. Alright? Minus 3 by minus 4 or 3 by 4. You can do the cross multiplication. 3x minus 12. ശിവാനിയുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ് അല്ലേ? 4y ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് തീർന്നതിപ്പോൾ 3x minus 12 equal to 4y minus 20. Arrange. I am going to arrange. Change the order. 8 അല്ലേ? Okay. 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 is the equation of the median through RS. So please write down. All of you please write down. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Please remove your old raise hand. If you have written, raise your hand. Say the Rakshana, Shivani, okay. Devasri, clear. So I hope you understood. We can go to next problem. Let me discuss the 19th question. Let me discuss the 19th question. The question is by using concept of equation of the line. Meaning that After finding equation of the line, we have to prove that 3, 0, minus 2, and 8, 2 are collinear by using concept of equation of the line. We cannot use any other technique. Without finding equation of the line, if you solve it, you will not get any mark. There are various methods to solve this question. But here, the equation of the line we have to find out. After finding equation of the line, we have to prove that the 3 points are collinear. Collinear means the point lie in the same line. Collinear means the 3 points lie in the same line. The 3 points lie in the same line. What are the 3 points? The 3 points are, this is a rough diagram, 3, 0, minus 2, 8, 2. Using the concept equation of the line, we have to prove that if we plot the 3 points lie in the same line. Have you understood the question? All of it clear? Understood? Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I want equation of the line first. You agree with me? I want equation of the line. To find the equation of the line, 2 points is sufficient. Understood? Only single line passing through 2 given point. To find equation of the line, only 2 points is sufficient. The third point I will consider later. Okay? Third 8, 2 I will consider later. Remember, to find equation of a line, 2 points is sufficient. So, in this 2 point form method, okay. I want equation of the line passing through 3, 0 and minus 2. The equation of the line means if x comma y be the general point, the relation between x and y is said to be the equation, right? To find equation of the line, okay, let me find the slope of the line. To find the slope of a line, you need to consider any of the 2 points. Let us consider xy and minus 2. Actually, I discussed this type of problem. This and this, the slope will be y minus of minus 2 by x minus of minus 2. Or this 2 or any other 2. If you consider this and this, you will be getting same slope, because same line passing through this. So y2 minus y1, okay. So minus 2 minus 0 by minus 2 minus 3. Okay, understood. Just equate the slope. We get equation of the line. Let me find out the equation of the line. After that, you can ask me doubt. Let me find the equation. This is y plus 2 by x plus 2. And right side is minus 2 by minus 5, right? The right side is what? Minus 2 by minus 5. Minus cancel 2 by 5. Let me find the equation. After that, you can ask me doubt. Yes, I can do the cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 2. 2 into x plus 2 into 2, 4. 5 into y plus 2. 5y plus 10. 5y plus 10. All the right side taken to left side. 2x plus 4 minus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. Or 2x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. The equation of the line I got. The equation of the line is what? 2x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of the line. Not completed, not finished. So all of you please write down till this step. All of you please write down till this step. Please remove your old raise hand. If you are okay till this step, please raise your hand. If you are okay till this step, please raise your hand.
Sir, is it okay to take 0 minus minus 2 and 3 minus minus 2?
1 minute. Tell me once again.
Is it okay to take 0 minus minus 2 and 3 minus minus 2?
No problem, no problem. The order is not important. Okay. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So this step, okay. Ashlyn, clear, understood. Everyone is okay. Now, all of you please listen. What do you mean by equation of a line? Equation of a line means it is the general relationship between x coordinate and y coordinate of any point on the line. X comma y, okay. The equation of a line is the relation between x and y. The relation between x and y. That relation is applicable for every point on the line. The relation between x and y is the equation of the line. That relation is applicable for every point on the line. Every point on the line. So how do we know? How do we know that the third point 8 comma 2 exactly lie on this line? How do we know that? How do we know that? You simply substitute 8 comma 2 in the equation of the line. You simply substitute 8 comma 2 in the equation of the line. If it is satisfied, 8 comma 2 lie on the line. So the importance of equation of a line is every point on the line satisfy the equation. So how can we know that 8 comma 2 lie on this line? Check whether 8 comma 2 satisfy this equation or not. So let me check whether 8 comma 2 satisfy this equation or not. Let me write that step. Consider 8 comma 2 and substitute in the equation of the line. Let us check whether satisfy or not. I am substituting 8 comma 2 in the equation of the line, meaning that I am putting x value as 8 and y value as 2. X coordinate 8, y coordinate 2. So let me put 2x, 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2 minus 6. Let me check whether it is true or false. 16 minus 10 minus 6. True. Meaning that 8 comma 2 satisfy the equation of the line. So 8 comma 2 also lie on the line. 8 comma 2, my diagram is correct. 8 comma 2 also lie on the line. Meaning that the 3 points are collinear. Understood? So this is the method. You must use this method, otherwise you will not get any mark. So don't forget this question. All of you please write. If you have written and no doubt, raise your hand. Shivani okay. Rakshana, Said clear. Everyone is okay, clear. Next form I will discuss in the next class. I mean intercept form is remaining. It's a very small chapter. I think there is only one more exercise. 1 minute, let me check. Okay. Only one more exercise. It's a very small chapter. The syllabus is reduced. 4 years back there was a lot of theory in this chapter, but now it's a very small chapter. So there is one more form which is said to be intercept form, but I will discuss the intercept form in the next class. I will give you one question. Don't leave the class. Let me give you one question. Shivaniക്ക് ഞാൻ വേറെ question തരാട്ടോ. All of you please try this question and send me the answer right now. Okay, not after the class, right now. Okay. I am not writing the sentence. Find equation of the above line. Okay, it's a very simple question. You take two minutes maximum. The 2 points are given. The line passing through 1, 3 and 2, 6. Find equation of the line. All of you please do. Try to complete within 2 minutes. Okay. Don't leave the class. Remove your old raise hand. Send me the solution through WhatsApp.